Food Truck Showdown. We have over 35 food trucks that you can come in and try. We have a kid zone, pet zone, live music all day, pop-up vendor market, and something for everyone.
Oh yeah, this must be really good. Alright, awesome.
It is so much fun. We have about 20,000 people that came out to have fun with us today, so it's a great time.